Guys, it's me again with my third video on the same picture. I'm gonna sing "Fly on the Wall" by Miley Cyrus. It's a very old song. It's before the movie came out, but okay, so here we go. Don't you? Don't you understand what it is that makes me tick? But I wish you did. You only second guess, wondering. I say yes, but you just lose out every time. If you only knew what I'm talking about when I'm with my friends, just hanging out, then you have the inside scoop on what to say, what to do. That's when you play the game, baby, you'll never lose, don't you? Wish you could be a fly on the wall, a creepy little sneaky little fly on the wall. All my precious tickets, yeah, you know them all. Don't you wish that you could be a fly on the wall? Oh, the things I do when I'm with my friends and not with you. No, we second guess, wondering, oh, guys, I'm down when you should know by now. If you were my boyfriend, I'll be true to you. If I make a promise, coming through. Don't you wish that you could see me every second of the day? That's the way you went and down, baby. I'll never change. Don't you wish you could be a creepy little, sneaky little. My precious chickens, yeah, you know them all. Don't you should be a fly on the wall. A little communication that will go all the way. You give me this information. So she say, is, come a little closer. And what I gotta say is, don't ya, don't ya, don't you wish you were don't you wish that you could be a creepy little, sneaky little. My precious chickens, yeah, you know them all. Don't you wish that you could be a fly on the wall? That's my song, Fly on the Wall. Comment what next song you want me to do. So, okay, peace out. Bye.